20 multi-million-dollar mansions destroyed in a flash. Wildfires swept through an exclusive enclave in Laguna, Niguel, California.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 homes that are burning.
Flames engulfed this $10 million estate. This was once the front driveway of this once magnificent property. Now all that remains is the facade of the mansion. And a firefighter told us he doesn't expect that to last through the day. This is what the 10,000 square foot home looked like before it went up in flames. The views were stunning. Inside, pure magnificence, a dream home, sadly now reduced to rubble. Residents of this neighborhood are devastated. You had to help your dad out?
I tried to drag him out, not help him out. You know, he wanted to stay a little bit longer. I'm like, no, gotta get out.
Show me what you're holding.
Yeah, so this is the only thing that survived from their house. The firefighters left it in the mailbox for them.
Peter Klaus and his wife didn't think they'd have to run for their lives.
It seemed like it was a minor fire, but then the wind picked up.
We had like 10 minutes to get out.
This is your house here?
This is our house.
This woman and her son returned to their home at daybreak, carrying 2 of their most precious possessions. You feel lucky? Is it bittersweet?
So grateful. Yeah, it's very emotional.
This couple thought their cat Nevins had perished, but they got lucky. A firefighter found their kitty alive.
I'm happy to have him back.
Shalom, give all praise, Yahbashim, Yoshua, Bashim, Rakakadash. The honors to the elders and apostles for the edification and knowledge. It's the Wadi Yahbashim, Yoshua, put in the spirit of the elders and apostles so we become edified regarding this truth and knowledge. Call holy Yahbashim, Yoshua, Bashim, Rakakadash. Give all praise, Yahbashim, Yoshua, Bashim, Rakakadash. That was Inside Edition video talking about major multi-million-dollar homes in California, Laguna Hills area, I believe, were destroyed by a fire. About 20 exclusive mansions. Here's some more articles. This will be Orange County area. Coastal fire in Laguna, Niguel prompt evacuation. So exclusive, rich areas, pretty much. Very expensive homes, you know. Orange County, Laguna, Niguel. Laguna, Niguel. More than a dozen mansions destroyed, damaged as wildfires spread through Orange County. Closure and coastal fire, that's the areas. Example photos. South California fire rages through 200 acres, damaging Orange County homes. That was Washington Post. Different other various articles, Newsweek, Channel 10 News, Channel 4, Fox 11 Los Angeles Times, Washington Post, The Register, NBC Los Angeles. Yeah, the voice of, I guess, Orange County, which would be in Florida, which would be in California. We get some more articles here. Let's get some scriptures. This will be a quick lesson. Hebrews 12 and 29, our God is a consuming fire. So that's literally. Luke 12 and 49, I come to send fire on earth, and what will if it already be kindled? So that fire is being sent, man. It's part of the sword, the judgment, man. Jude 1 and 7, even as Sodom and Gomorrah and the cities about them in like manner, giving themselves over to fornication and going after strange flesh, are set forth, for example, suffering the vengeance of eternal fire. So that's the punishment for them because of their iniquities, man. The idolatry and different things. Fast forward, this is be modern day upgraded 2.0 of Sodom and Gomorrah, man. Let's go to Isaiah 29 and 6, man. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder, with earthquakes, great noise, with storms and tempests, and flames of devouring fire. So these are things that's going to happen at the flames of devouring fire. Devouring fire, man. Earthquakes, you have great noises, you have tempests, the flames, devouring fire. So the Lord is visiting, man. You know, for example, fires, man. That's the judgment, man. And that area is already experiencing drought, dry season over there, so that's prone for, you know, for fire acceleration over in that area, man. Let me get one more. Revelations 21 and 8. And the fearful and the unbelieving and the abominable and the murderers and the whoremongers and the sorcerers, which are witches and warlocks, idolaters, and all the liars shall have their part in the lake which burneth with fire, and brimstone, which is the second death. And second fire is on earth, man. These are all the ones with the characteristics that's going to happen. Having these characteristics, what's going to happen to them, man? This is something short, real quick. Lay into that. Give all praise to Al Bashim Yashal Bashim Rakakadash. Hope it helps. This brother Zayal means wolf. Shalom. Thanks.